Get off my property. What? I don't answer any questions.
All right, folks, welcome back to Audit the Law. This video comes to you by way of Freedom Law Academy. How many times do we have to tell you to not answer the door for police? We would like to extend that to windows too. In this video, they opened the window, but at least they didn't open the door. Second bit of advice we'd like to give you, don't talk to police. They're not your friends. They're not there to make conversation. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. But these folks right here, they watch my channel and they knew that if you're going to talk to police to just tell them, get off my property and I don't answer questions. This is how it's done, folks. Not only is it important for people in the ghettos to know their rights because cops like to mess with folks out there, but even in the suburbs, don't forget that it's back to blue until it happens to you. Check out this video. We'll pause for some comments and we'll give you our final thoughts at the end.
It's just a noise.
They can't trespass. Property.
They can't. Don't open the door. They can't trespass.
Hold on 1 second. Turn the music off.
We'll turn it down. We'll turn it down.
No, the music is low. It has nothing to do with that.
No.
Open the window.
Open the door. Don't open the door.
Okay, don't open the door.
They have no such right. They have no right.
Don't open the door.
They have no right to get it.
Okay,
Everybody, put on your cameras.
oh, it's a sheriff.
Tell them get off the property.
If it's breach of the peace, that's an actual crime. But other than that, you want to open the window? Here, open the window. Halfway. Open it 1 inch. Open it 1 inch.
Hold on. Get off my property. Get off my property. What? I don't answer any questions. Are you? Do you
Get
have?
off the property. Get off the property.
Yeah. You have no authority. Get off.
Be nice to him.
I don't answer any questions.
I like how everybody in the house knows not to talk to police. You can hear people in the background saying, get off the property. You can hear the woman telling the cop, I don't answer any questions. And never go outside, folks. You're going to hear this cop ask the man to go outside and talk to him.
He doesn't have to be here.
Okay, get off. You have no authority about.
Is it
I'm
a
a
noise
state
complaint?
national.
Why are you here? Why are you here?
Read what I put
We
on the
come in
door.
peace. We come.
Who's the owner of the property?
Well, why are you
I
here,
don't
sir?
answer any.
Why are you here,
I don't
sir?
answer any questions. It's not your business.
What's the problem, man? What's the problem? Why are you here?
Do you own the property?
No, we
don't-
want to know why you're
we
here.
don't answer any
We come in
questions.
peace and we're having a great time on a Friday night. We just want to know why you're here.
Here's the deal. If we come back out, there's going to be citations issued. Okay?
Yeah, we just want to know
we
why
don't-
you're here.
Yeah, we don't.
What,
you're-
yeah,
you're
is it
thi-
noise?
Yeah,
Is it
we.
noise?
read-
Why are you here?
read
I'm not going to
what's on
talk
the
to
door.
20 people.
Okay,
If you're reasonable, I'll talk to you outside, sir.
I'm not
No,
going outside.
we don't
Is it
open the
noise? Why are
door.
you here?
That's it. It's a noise complaint.
Okay, so we'll
Thank
keep it
you.
down.
Thank
We'll turn off the music. We'll keep it down.
That's all I'm
And we'll be
asking.
quiet.
Okay.
Sorry.
Get off our property, please.
No.
We send you peace and
we
love,
don't
man.
answer
Hey,
questions.
we know.
I got
Yeah.
I got your community. This is done. Oh.
Fingers out.
All right, folks, what can police do in this situation? If they give you a warning and they get called back out there, they could issue the house a citation. What can the homeowners do? First of all, it sucks that you have bad neighbors that are willing to call the cops on you over noise. You can either move, or you can turn it down a little, or you can just keep taking your chances with police. You can fight it in court if you get a citation. And why do cops have an attitude when they arrive on scene? We got called out here. Like if they're not on the clock. Like they can't be bothered. It's actually a police policy that cops are to be professional at all time. They always act like they're in a hurry. Always record the police, folks. Not only did this family know not to open the door, not to say anything, but they were also smart enough to pull out their phones and start recording. Don't forget that recording cops is not against the law. As a matter of fact, it's your right to do so. And at this point, it's your obligation to record these interactions. When it's your word against theirs, the courts always believe the cops. And don't think for 1 minute that they won't try to hide body cam footage that shows them in a bad light. Remember, folks, don't open the door to police and always record them. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.